This is Emirates Flight 22 heading back to Dubai. The Airbus A330-800. Largest passenger plane in existence. We see this a total of 3 times per day at Manchester Airport. There's 3 arrivals, 3 departures. This is the first one of the day, going back out to Dubai. It's already been in, early doors. It usually arrives quite early in the morning and then goes out about this time. I think it's scheduled a bit earlier, to be honest. Apparently this Hawker Beechcraft is off to Faro in Portugal. Jet blast. Sounded like a fighter jet. Wow, that's a lot of runway. And she's gone. This is EasyJet flight 2149 off to Antalya A320, folks, but very special guest on board. I'm sure we're all very aware of who this could be. I'll get a zoom in. Might be my first time catching this chap from Southside. What a legend. Yeah, it seems to be a lot of people just tuning in for this. Let me explain. Hello. We're Airliners live here from Manchester Airport. There is a Condor Airbus A330neo. Looks like it's going to be diverting into Manchester. We don't know why the plane is diverting. The reason is unknown. Could be technical with the aircraft, could be something related to one of the passengers on board. We don't know. But it was a flight from Frankfurt to New York JFK, and yeah, it's coming into Manchester. So hopefully everything's okay on board. Hopefully they can get it dealt with nice and quick as well, and get the passengers on to New York as soon as possible. As for us plane spotters, this is probably the first time we've ever seen the Condor stripes at Manchester. I can't think of any other time I've ever seen them, but it's one of the new Condor liveries. This one's got the yellow stripes. It's also a pretty new plane. I think it's only 2 months old, so yeah, kind of a very rare catch at Manchester, shall we say. Oh, wow. Okay. Using a lot of runway on the rollout there. That is a striking looking plane now. That is unusual to see this at Manchester. I don't really know. I'm pretty on the fence about this one. I'm really not a fan of it on like the narrow bodies, for example. This probably suits it the most though of all the stripey schemes. That's some catch right there. Condor A330 declared an emergency on its flights from Frankfurt to New York JFK, and after a little while of fuel burning over the northwest of England, it's finally arrived here safely at Manchester Airport. Hopefully it won't be on the ground here too long as well.